You are watching part 32 of the full series of Java interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. What is join method? What is the purpose of sleep method? How does the sleep method work? Is it possible to start a thread twice? Can we call the run method instead of start? First question, what is join method? The join method waits for a thread to die. In other words, it causes the currently running threads to stop executing until the thread it joins with completes its task. Join method is overloaded in thread class in the following ways. First, public void join throws interrupted exception. Second, public void join long milliseconds throws interrupted exception. Second question, what is the purpose of sleep method? The sleep method in Java is used to block a thread for a particular time, which means it paused the execution of a thread for a specific time. There are 2 methods of doing so. Here's the syntax. First, public static void sleep, long milliseconds, throws interrupted exception. Second, public static void sleep, long milliseconds, in nanos, throws interrupted exception. Third question, how does the sleep method work? When we call the sleep method, it pauses the execution of the current thread for the given time and gives priority to another thread, if available. Moreover, when the waiting time completed, then again previous thread changes its state from waiting to runnable and comes in running state, and the whole process works so until the execution doesn't complete. Next question, is it possible to start a thread twice? No, we cannot restart the thread, as once a thread started and executed, it goes to the dead state. Therefore, if we try to start a thread twice, it will give a runtime exception, java.lang.illegal thread state exception. Next question, can we call the run method instead of start? The answer is yes. Calling run method directly is valid, but it will not work as a thread. Instead, it will work as a normal object. There will not be context switching between the threads. When we call the start method, it internally calls the run method, which creates a new stack for a thread, while directly calling the run will not create a new stack. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here's the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.